Hi everyone, today I'm going to go through how to crop and edit a photo to a 4:5 ratio and make sure it's under 2 megabytes in file size on an iPhone and iPad. So first thing you want to do is take a nice clear photo using the guidelines provided on the Minor Details website. Then you want to go to your photos, click the photo you just took, either with your phone or iPad, and you'll see two bars in the very top and bottom. So in the top right hand corner, you're either going to see edit or details. Click that. And then at the very bottom, you're going to see cancel, and to the right, this little symbol that looks like a crop rotate tool. Click that. If it zooms in at all, don't worry. Right below it says the word reset. Click that, and it'll go back to the original format. So now we want to crop to the 4:5 ratio. So right above done on the bottom right hand corner, you'll see this little white square. Click that, and it's going to bring a bunch of different ratios you can crop by. For our purpose and for the Minor Details website, you always want to make sure it's cropped to a 4:5 ratio. So click this 4:5, and this little grid will immediately pop up, and you can adjust it at any corner to make it bigger or smaller. And it's going to maintain that aspect ratio of 4:5. So you want to make sure that your child is at the center of the frame. Make sure there's a little bit of room right above the head, just so it doesn't touch. It makes it look like she is a little more clear and centered. And you want to make sure it goes to the waist or hip. Never crop right to the face, or else she's going to look a little bit like a floating head. So make sure it's nice at the waist. And I would say this is the nice perfect cropping we're looking for. Once you're happy and satisfied, in the very bottom right hand corner you'll see the word done highlighted in yellow. Click that. And now you've done one of two things. You've cropped it to a 4:5 ratio, and now you just want to double check that it's under 2 megabytes in file size. So to do that, tap your photo once so that bar reappears in the top and bottom. In the bottom left hand corner you see this square with the arrow pointing up. Click that. Click mail. And then we're going to address it to ourselves, because we don't actually want to send it to ourselves right now. We just want to have that pop-up appear where it says small, medium, large, actual size. I'm sure you're all familiar with that. If for some reason it doesn't appear, it means that your Wi-Fi signal is not strong enough, or your data is almost at its cap. So it's going to try to conserve your data by sending it as a small image. If that happens, connect to a nice strong Wi-Fi signal. And if your Wi-Fi signal is too weak, connect to your data and the pop-up should appear. Or you can just wait 20 minutes for your Wi-Fi signal to get stronger. It can be high traffic time right now. So we're going to want to press send in the top right hand corner. And this pop-up is going to appear saying small, medium, large, and actual size. For our purpose, we want to make sure that the actual size is under 2 MB, because that means we can go to our photos and upload it directly to the website with no problem. If for some reason it says it's over 2 MB, so 3, 4, or 10, send it to yourself as a large file. So you'll click large. In the bracket next to it, probably going to say like 800 kilobytes to 1.6 megabytes. That's kind of the sweet spot. You never want it to be too small. Say right next to small it says 33.3 kilobytes. That's far too small, because when it goes on a much larger screen, it's going to get nice and grainy and pixelated, and we don't want that to happen. So we want a nice clear image. So we know that this photo right now is under 2 MB, so we're going to press cancel again, and delete draft, cancel again, back, and hit your home screen button. So we know right now that this photo is a 4:5 ratio because we just cropped it, and it's under 2 megabytes in file size, so you'll have no problem uploading to this website. So go to our website. On the very top left hand corner is our menu bar. Tap that, and it's going to bring this drop down menu. So scroll down to login, click that, and now you want to put in your Guardian account and password you've already made. I'm going to use my fake account for today and press login. So once you've logged in, it's going to bring you to your My Account page. Scroll down, you'll see all your kids that you've made. These are all my test kids, so just ignore that. And we're going to use Samantha C today for our demonstration. So right next to where you see it says Edit Profile, Add Pictures, and Book Out Dates. If you click either Edit Profile or Add Pictures, it's going to bring you to the same registration form you initially filled out when you registered your child. If you click Add Pictures, it's going to direct you to page 4, so you don't have to press Next to get to that part of the application. So we're going to click that together. And it's going to bring you to your uploads. So you can upload either a photo or voice work or hand demo, but make sure if you're uploading a headshot, you're in Photos and go to this text box. So click where it says Drag Files Here or Browse, just tap it once and a pop-up should appear. Click Photo Library and then go to All Photos. Find the photo you just cropped, click it once so it's check marked off, and then press Done in the top right hand corner. This little loading bar means it's thinking and it's going to try to load it for you. Just so you know, you can only upload one photo at a time, so if you clicked off multiple photos, it's going to randomly select one and upload it for you, and you're going to have to keep going through it. So you just have to be a little patient with this process. So if you want this to be a headshot, move it to the very top. If it's a secondary photo, make sure it's on the bottom. You can organize these photos in consecutive order of how you want it viewed on the profile. So once you have it in the order you're looking for, scroll down to the very bottom and press Submit. Always, always, always press Submit, because if you don't, then we won't receive the update that you just made. So press Submit. When it goes through, you'll see this thinking button, and it's going to redirect you back to your My Account page. That way you know that the photo has gone through and your submission has gone through. So to double check that, you'll also receive an email to your inbox saying we've received your submission, and you can also scroll down to the very bottom. It's under Notifications. See how it says Samantha C. Profile updates are pending approval. So now you know that your profile update has been received and you're just waiting for your agent to approve the update. That's all you need to do, and you're good to go.